In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first, you can wait. If you send too many prompts quickly, wait for 10 to 15 seconds before sending another. If the problem still persists, let's move on to the next step. Second, you can refresh the page or start a new chat. You can refresh your page by pressing the refresh button on the upper left side of the browser. You can also try logging out and logging in your account. To do so, just press your account at the very left bottom of the screen and then hit log out. And then after that, just log in again. You can also check the server status on the OpenAI status page to see if there are any ongoing outages. For some advanced solutions, you can also clear cache and cookies. So to see where is the cache and cookies, go to the three lines in the upper right corner of the browser, go to your browser settings. After that, go to the privacy and security, and then go to site and shield settings. After that, view permissions and data stored across sites, and then search for ChatGPT, and then delete ChatGPT cookies. Next one is using incognito or private browsing. To do so, go to the three lines on the upper right corner of your browser and select New Private Window, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open the incognito mode, and then open ChatGPT. Next one is disabling your extensions and VPNs. If you have VPNs, sometimes it can modify a page content or manage privacy as well. So on your upper right corner of your browser, find the puzzle-like thing here, which will say extensions, then press manage extensions, and then if there is a VPN turned on here, turn it off. If these tips or procedures still didn't work, I suggest you try a different browser or network, or trying a different internet connection if possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching.